All right, here we go. Let's label these. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. All right. I'm looking for ones equaling ones or twos that equal 2. So my ones, I can do this equals this. Or if I want to use twos, I could do this equals this. I see this minus right here, so I'm just going to keep everything positive. So I'm going to use angle C equals angle D. So 8x plus 19 equals 12x plus 3, okay? We have to solve it. The first step is usually always the same. We have x's on both sides. We can't have that. So we're going to choose the smaller one, which is 8, and we're going to get rid of it. Since it's a positive 8, we subtract 8 here, 8x, and we subtract 8x here. These go away. Bring down your 19. 12 minus 8 is 4. Don't forget the x. Bring down your 3, and it's a plus 3. That was step 1. Now, I need my 4x by itself. This plus 3 has to go. I subtract 3 here. I subtract 3 here. Bring down my 4x, my equal sign. 19 minus 3 is 16. One more step because I need it to just be x, not 4x. I need to get rid of this 4, so I'm going to do the opposite of multiplication and divide on both sides. That leaves me with just an x. 16 divided by 4 is 4. If you don't like the way it looks, flip it around. Okay? X is 4. That was 3 steps. And usually you will have 3 steps. You're going to try the next practice problems and then check your video.